Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. I have a two screen on my iPhone. First, I'm going to use the Facebook, and second one, I'm going to use the YouTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get two screens or separate screen on iPhone. You can get this mode in any iPhone and also any iOS version. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch the App Store and search for this application, Split Screen Dual Window. This is only 32.2 MB file, and after downloading, tap to open. After opening the app, you will get this interface of the website or the application. Now tap on search bar, and if you want to use the Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anyone, Reddit, what you want, tap on Instagram, log in your account and use your Instagram. Now we are going to the second tab here, and we have to tap Facebook. After tapping on Facebook, you will see here up I have an Instagram, down Facebook. Login with your username and password, tap login and use two accounts at the same window, Instagram and Facebook. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.